Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to attach an image to your email on Gmail using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Gmail, and an image that we will be attaching to the email. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the alternative web browser, Google Chrome, click on this, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to the top right corner, go to Gmail. And then make sure that you are signed into the account. Now let's go to Compose. Let's now increase the size of the email window. Let's now choose a recipient, which will be admin@ComputerScienceVideos.com. Let's choose a subject, which will be image. Let's now go within the email and type Dear Admin, right arrow. I hope that this email finds you well. Right arrow, full stop, go to the new line. Let's now say, please see the attached image to this email. Let's now say kind regards, CSV. Before sending the email, do not forget to attach the image. Let's now go to attach. Go to documents, change the view to icons, go to my YouTube channel. Let's now locate an image, YouTube icon, click on this, open, and there we have it. The image has been attached to this email. Let's now click on send, view the message, and this is the email that was sent to admin@ComputerScienceVideos.com. Image, dear admin, I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached image to email, kind regards, CSV, click on that image, and there we go. So we can now quit Google Chrome. And so that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.